Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to change the wallpaper on your Android Chinese based tablet. Alright, so this is Dynamic Halo tablet or whatever the name is, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so if you're tired of the default wallpaper, for example this one has been on this particular device for a while, and if you want a change it's quite easy. Now you have two options. You can download your own. So if you have one that you have downloaded, you can use that as well, or you can use the default. So I'm going to show you to get to the default. So you're going to long press any space on the home. It's going to bring up this context menu or a similar context menu. Select anything related to home settings. It might be named differently in yours. I'm going to say home settings. All right, so home settings might not be the one that has the setting for it. So of course in this particular tablet, home setting is the home screen settings. Sorry about that. So it's not in there. Here we are. Sometimes you have to go to home screen settings, then go to wallpaper. But for this particular one, it's slightly different. So it actually has its own wallpaper and styles. So select wallpaper and styles. All right, so if it's not a direct link to wallpaper and styles, select home screen settings and look for wallpaper. All right. Okay. So once you're here guys, you're gonna see a bunch of options. You're gonna hit here that says change wallpaper. All right, so once you hit change wallpaper, it's gonna say on device wallpapers. So we're gonna select on device wallpapers. So bam, we're here, and then we're gonna hit again, and of course here we go, and it gives you a nice preview, and it shows you what it will look like. It shows you even a preview on the lock screen. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit set wallpaper up here. All right, so it gives you a preview as to what it's gonna look like. In both cases, you can uncheck which one you don't want. So for example, I don't want it on the lock screen. I can change my mind. If I only want it here, I can place it on the lock screen and not on the desktop. So I'm gonna put it in both cases. I'm gonna hit set. It's gonna say set in wallpaper, and of course it says wallpaper changed successfully. All right, so it's quite easy. So remember, you can come in here and change whatever you want. All right, so once we exit, we're gonna go back and check it out. Beautiful wallpaper, and you can actually see that it's a very nice flower, and that's how to change the wallpaper on your device. All right, so in case you want additional wallpapers, you can use apps. You can always go to the Play Store and search for free wallpaper apps. And so me, I tend to use one that's called Zedge. That's our free wallpaper app. You can download it as well, and you can set your wallpapers from there. That's Zedge. And of course, it's a highly rated one. All right, so hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.